Today in Marine Engineering 101, let's start the freshwater generator onboard. The freshwater generator converts seawater into fresh water for onboard use. Let's discover the key points on starting up the freshwater generator plant. The first step in the startup procedure is to line up all the necessary valves. Open ejector pump C chest suction, pump discharge valve, freshwater generator unit discharge valve and the overboard valve. By the way, the goal of this video is to help you familiarize with the key points in starting up the freshwater generator. In general, we convert seawater into fresh water with the help of heat exchangers and vacuum condition inside the freshwater plant. After lining up, you can now start the ejector pump. The ejector pump creates the vacuum inside the chamber with the help of an ejector valve unit. Observe the compound gauge. Vacuum shall be created before opening heating valves. Upon initial start of the system, check for leakages in the pipelines. Once clear, proceed with the succeeding steps. Also, verify parameters to be in normal range. Check for chamber temperature, vacuum, inlet and outlet jacket water temperature and supply sea pressure. Any deviation from previous records shall be investigated. Next, slowly open the inlet and outlet valves from the jacket cooling system. We are using the jacket cooling water from the main engine cooling system, hence a frequent check on main engine jacket water parameters shall be done. Gradual movement on the valves is key toward balancing the cooling operation for main engine and heating medium for the freshwater generator. Up next, slowly operate the bypass valve until fully closed. Interlude. Do follow the page and YouTube channel for the next video about the operational principles and components of the freshwater generator. For now, complete the process by starting the distillate pump. When the system is already producing fresh water, it is time to turn on the salinometer. The salinometer will take a sample of the produced freshwater and shall return the water into the system via solenoid valve if the salinity level is higher than required setpoint. Alarms for salinometer can be set between 5 to 10 ppm. The dosing pump provides chemical dose on the system to prevent scaling. Have you learned something from this video? If yes, help us reach more learners by sharing this content, following our Facebook page and subscribing to Marine Engineering 101 YouTube channel. For comments, queries and suggestions, let us know through the comment section. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better. Follow for more.